problem, we have a reaction of copper with sulfur. You've got your mass of copper before the reaction, 3.17 grams. Mass of sulfur before the reaction is 2.93 grams. Mass of copper sulfate formed is 4.78 grams, and it wants to know the mass of unreacted sulfur. So, what you're going to need to do in this problem, it says copper and sulfur were heated in a covered container. After the reaction was complete, the unreacted sulfur was removed. The table contains the results of the investigation. How much sulfur in grams failed to react with the copper? So, what you're going to need to do is figure out your total. It's a conservation of matter problem, so you're going to figure out your total mass and then figure out how much unreacted sulfur you have. So, we've got 3.17 grams of copper, 2.93 grams of sulfur. You're going to add those together, and that's going to give you 6.10 grams of material. The mass of copper sulfur formed is 4.78, so we're going to subtract that. And you get 1.32 grams failed to react, which is going to be choice A. Question number 2 says diverging lenses are useful to people who suffer from nearsightedness because the lenses can cause images of distant objects to be focused on the retina. Lenses allow images to be focused on the retina because of A, diffusion, B, reflection, C, diffraction, or D, refraction. A, diffusion, is when a substance moves from a high concentration to a low concentration. Doesn't have anything to do with lenses. B, reflection, that's when an incoming ray bounces off of a surface and goes off in the other direction. So again, that doesn't really have to do with lenses in this particular problem. C, diffraction. Diffraction is when a wave bends when it passes through a narrow opening. Again, nothing to do with lenses. Refraction. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one material into another material, and that is what actually causes lenses to focus images. So the correct choice would be D, refraction.